Jessica in the egg chair. Whoa. Try not to tip her over like I did to Darian.
Well, Darian tipped Darian over.
I tipped Darian over, and then they put me in there and ran away.
Well, I ran away. Jessica sort of like sauntered out later, texting. I have the video of it to prove it.
I have the video too. Having fun. Oh my God, Vicky. That was Victoria.
Because it's not violence.
No, Victoria.
So how do you feel?
Oh, your hair. No. Was that fun?
Your turn.
Whose turn?
All of you.
Your turn. Teal head.
My turn?
Teal head.
My hair is probably like. I can't do it because I'm in a dress and I don't think you guys will see my crotch.
I do.
Hey.
I see feet.
Don't be a cheater.
Wait,
Why wait?
wait. I have to put my feet
I am standing under a draft.
Because the AC is right above you.
You look like a pregnant woman. Are we done spinning the poor Alex?
Now I am.
Okay.
My leg.
Oh my god. My life is complete.
I can't see. Everything's spinning. Was that you?
Stomp on your head.
Ow. Oh, man.
And look at that. As in every video, Jessica is texting.
Shut up.
Oh.
Nikki, it's your turn.
I'm not doing that.
Nikki, it's your